Base, this is Range Ranger 6, code 3 in the Dry Creek bed.
Hey you! Leave her alone! Get back!
Emergency at 34.5 north, 112.3 west. Python attack, I repeat, giant python attack. Send immediate backup.
We have a confirmed incident at 40 incident, 036 north, 105.58 search and rescue west.
Sector 4, confirmed sighting.
Copy that, moving now. Load the nets and rifles, let's move. Sector 4, we have a confirmed avalanche near the North Pass. Mobilize immediately.
Gear up, move. Ropes team to the front.
Copy that, Command. We are en route.
We have a confirmed visual on the target. Alpha team, secure the perimeter at the northern route. Bravo, prepare the nets.
Understood, Commander. We're ready.
Confirmed sighting at the North Canyon. Alpha team, tranquilizer rifles. Bravo team, nets and shields. Move with precision. Let's go.
Dose is confirmed for the Grizzly.
Monitors are calibrated. IV bags are packed and ready.
All right, team, move quickly. I need those tranquilizer nets secured now. Let's get to the chopper. Move. Secure the ropes.
Cage locked and loaded, Captain.
Check your scopes. We move in 3. Lock those bars down now. All right, lift it up on 3. Ready, go!
Field Commander, this is Vet 2 performing a comms check, over.
Read you loud and clear, Vet 2. Proceed.
All teams, move to staging area 3. Echo, load the command vehicle now. We have a confirmed target location, proceeding with Operation Mountain Storm. Secure those straps now.
Cargo secured, sir.
All right, let's move. Go, go, go. Prepare for immediate takeoff.
Command to all units, we are wheels up.
Medic 1, secured.
Transport locked.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rescue team ready for departure.
We have liftoff. The Eagle is airborne. All ground teams, move out now. We're proceeding to the objective.
Convoy, this is Rescue 1. Weather closing in, maintain speed, and keep visual on the road. We're approaching the target zone.
Pressure checked. Team B, with me. Move in formation.
Base, we're advancing on the target now.
We move in 2 teams. Alpha goes high, Bravo secures the base. The Python is massive. Tranquilize first, then net. Move now!
Go, move in. Hit the coils now. Watch the head, it's turning. Attack the coils now. Get that axe in deeper. Watch the head, it's turning.
Pull tight, anchor those ropes to the rocks. We've got the head secured. Tranquilizer team, move in. Clamp the head now, hold it steady.
Watch the midsection, secure those cables.
I've got the net on the tail, it's weakening. All right, take it up slow. Attention on lines 3 and 4. Clear the dust zone.
It's okay, Mama. We're here to help you now.
Keep moving steady to the ambulance. Watch the cubs.
Clear the ramp now.
Open the rear doors. Watch the helicopter. We have the stretcher. Bring the monitors.
Vitals are dropping. Push the fluids faster.
Prep the operating room immediately.
Easy now, steady lift. Dr. B, confirm airway status.
Airway secure, inflating the cuff now.
Good. Dr. C, fluids and vitals check.
More gauze here, please.
Wiping the site now. The vitals are stable.
IV drip is adjusted.
Give her 2 milligrams of adrenaline now.
Breathing is stabilizing.
Vitals are stable. Let's get her warmed up in recovery.
Almost there, Doctor.
Heart rate is stable at 62.
Good. Respiration looks steady too. I'll note the oxygen levels.